Oh, I can go?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything is recording.
Hello and welcome back to Taste Test Tuesdays. My name is Rita and guess what we're doing today? We are taste testing vegan food. So, I have tested a product from this company before and I'm going to test something else that they've got. Now, these guys have a massive range of things at Coles, Herb & Sons, and the first product I tried, which we'll put up in here somewhere or in the link below, were the sausages, the barbecue sausages, I think. They were incredible. They were absolutely incredible. So I have high hopes and a really high expectation for today's video. I'm looking forward to it. So these are schnitzels, chicken-free schnitzels, and what we are going to do today with them is we are obviously going to see different ways to cook it. They suggest pan frying and putting it in the oven. What we're going to do is we're going to pan fry one, and then we're going to smother it in Napolitana sauce and drizzle with some mature edge cheddar, which I've pre-grated, and we're going to make our own parma. And then with the other one, we're going to just put it in the air fryer and we're going to put it in a sandwich. Now, all this should take around 10-15 minutes. So let's get started. The packaging says that it's all trash. One day. Okay. Now, it's huge. It really is. Ugh, big. Yeah, it smells like breadcrumbs, which is to be expected, and it's soft, I'd say, which I guess is a good thing. And I wouldn't say it's bendy. I'm not going to bend it. There's no reason why you need to bend a schnitzel. It would just break. So we're just gonna put this in the air fryer as is for, I believe, 10 minutes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, like I've said in previous videos, I kind of go a little bit under what the oven time is, the oven suggested time is. So I'm gonna do 5 minutes, then I'm gonna flip it and then do 5 minutes, and we'll see how that works out. That was so easy. So now we're going to pan fry this in some olive oil, lightly pan fry, and then we're going to chuck it in the oven with the sugo and cheese. With the pan frying instructions, it says to cook on a medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes, or until cooked through, turn halfway through. I'm really looking forward to this. Do you know, fun fact, or not so fun, but when I was little, my nonna used to make me the best chicken schnitzels every single day for lunch at school in a panino with just lettuce, and that's what I ate every single day, and it was literally the best thing in the world. So when I went vegetarian as a 9-year-old, it was like a big ass shock to everyone, because I was just like, but this is your favorite food. How can you just, as a child, decide that you're gonna give up something you love so much? And I was like, because I wasn't, like, I knew it was a chicken, but I wasn't really aware that they had to die. Like, I wasn't connecting the dots before realizing, oh, hold on. So in order for the food to be consumed, it needs to be an animal that I can have a relationship with. It needs to suffer some sort of pain and die, and then I eat it. And it just kind of, it really confused me as to why we did that as kids, as humans. So then I absolutely loved it, and for many years I would still smell them making food and think that smells delicious, but There was no part of me that was thinking, oh, maybe I'll just eat it. I just couldn't. It was that point of no return for me. So the fact that now we have products like this today in 2019 means I can relive my childhood. I can remember those awesome memories of my nan and my childhood, and it's without the cruelty, and I don't have to feel guilty, and I don't have to feel some sort of way about it, other than just enjoy what's presented in front of me. I can't say more than how happy I am regarding products that are actually doing so well. You know, I haven't even tried the product and I'm assuming it's going to be amazing, but I'm saying that because the sausages were so good. The pan should be hot enough to get this on. I can smell that. It doesn't smell like what I remember it, but it smells ready to turn. Alright. Okay, so we've just flipped the pan fried schnitzel, and I wanted to cook most of it in the pan before I put it in the oven, because I would just like the oven situation to be just it melting the cheese and kind of heating up the sugo, not really cooking it. It's up to you how you want to cook your schnitzel. I like mine a little bit crispy, so that's it. I'm gonna put it in here. Spray a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Alright, so that's a perfect size for that. You can see. You can, if you think there's excess oil, obviously you can just pat it dry with a paper towel, but I'm actually okay with the amount of oil on that. So now I'm going to add some homemade sugo, but you're welcome to use any kind of sauce, like from the jars that you can buy, like a basil flavored pomodoro or something. But this is homemade, slow cooked over hours and hours. Like, there's nothing better than this kind of sauce. I'm gonna put a generous amount. Make sure you cover. And then I use this one. I prefer to grate it myself. You can buy it grated, but I don't see the reason. It grates really well, so, you know, I just buy the block and grate it. This cheese melts really well, so you don't have to like worry about it not melting all over. And the rest of the cheese I'm gonna put in on top of the bread, which the schnitzel's gonna go on. That's done. Put this in the oven for about 4 or 5 minutes. I mean, you can put it in the microwave. I don't see what would be the issue, but I'm gonna put it in the oven just because it's on, so may as well. While that all was happening, the schnitzel in the air fryer has finished. Oh wow. Okay, this is huge. Huge! It's massive! Have you seen the size of this thing? This is like massive. And oh wow, it looks delicious. It smells good too. It really does smell really good. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this actually. I'm wondering if I should just cut a little bit off and just try it on its own, and then it also will fit the sandwich better. Ah, it's hot. Oh, so good. Okay, so we'll dress that in a minute. Okay, hold on, let me just check the time so I don't forget the one in the oven, which I always do. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just excited. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? That is pretty, it's hot. All right, I'm gonna just, I know it feels like I'm butchering it, but I just wanna see every part of it. So I've taken the breadcrumb off. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks pretty realistic to me. And look, it doesn't smell exactly the same way as a chicken, but you're definitely getting hints of, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. That's crispy. Mmm. That is very crispy. No way. No way. No. I'm sorry. Hold on. Ed doesn't like being in the videos, but we're just gonna have a 2 seconds break. You need to try this. I'm telling you, his face said it all. His face was exactly my face, which is no way. No way! Are you kidding me right now? I'm in shock. I'm actually in shock. Honestly, this stuff is in Coles. Go get it. It's super cheap. Oh, the Parma. Can you imagine what that's gonna taste like? Okay, let's dress this. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna put some veganese. A nice, generous serving of veganese. Some lettuce. And I didn't put any salt on the tomatoes, so let me just quickly salt them. And a couple of pieces. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to, like, oh wow. This is life right now. No, seriously, I'm not even kidding. This is like, okay. My favorite part. Get my sleeves up. Okay, guys. This is like the best thing I've ever had. I mean, no. I mean, my nan's is like something else, but in at least many years, this is the best schnitzel I've ever hands down had, and I would gladly have this on a regular basis as the quickest stack. I mean, it was 10 minutes in an air fryer. That's it, done. Like, and there's a Parma still. There's a Parma. I'm gonna get the Parma out. And I present you the Parmigiana. The vegan Parmigiana. The one and only actual vegan Parmesan. I don't care what product you think you've tried out of some other like, I don't want to bash anyone. I don't want to say that no one else can do this, but this is the best thing I've tried. The best thing I have tried as of yet. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell that I'm a little bit excited, but you know, chicken schnitzels is something that gets brought up in my life a lot. Like, oh, you used to love the chicken schnitzel, and thinking about like growing up and stuff, that's what I think about. And this is like, yeah, this is just another level for me. I'm just gonna cut a little bit just so we see how it's cooked in the oven, and the fact that, you know, it was pan fried first with oil, and the breadcrumb obviously will be not as crispy, let's say. Wow. 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 Oh my god. I seriously, I would suggest my mom actually put this on the menu at a restaurant and serve this up to people, because this is pretty damn impressive. The way, just looking at it, even the other. Okay. Okay, it's still crispy. Yep, this is, okay, so obviously the sauce and the cheese that you're gonna put on it is going to change its flavor, but this parma, I don't reckon. I got no words. I literally have no words. Herb & Sons have not sponsored me, but hey, if you would like to sponsor me, send me food, I'm totally up for it, because this food is so damn delicious, and I am definitely going to be adding this to my weekly shop. I really want you to go out and try it. I really want you to understand why I'm so excited over this product and this company as a whole, because they've got so many other products that I look forward to trying now. Thank you for watching this video. It's a special video for me because I got to talk about my nan a little bit, and I got to taste something that brings back so many memories, and it was a positive one. And I would love it if you would press like and share this video, and if you have any awesome memories of your mum or nan's cooking and finding products that remind you of that, please share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be here next Tuesday, probably not a Herb & Sons, or else I'll just be making Herb & Sons stuff. But yeah, I look forward to coming back next Tuesday with a new product, and hopefully it's as good as this one, because this one's really exciting. Okay, bye.